Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So I'm just going to be doing a quick technical analysis of Cardano. This is just going to be a quick style video, trying a new thing here and seeing if you guys like this type of style so I can get more technicals out on a daily basis. Now, looking over at the price of Cardano, what we're currently seeing is that that ADA had broken out of this wedge that we were in for a while. This is going from the second quarter of 2022, so beginning of April, all through now. And then what we're seeing is that the price did break out, as I've covered in the past couple of videos on Cardano. Now, we're seeing the price struggle to try to get over the resistance that it's at right now. Now, the resistance is at a level of about 50 cents that is trying to get over, which is also the 50-day moving average. So 50 cents at the 50-day moving average is where the price of ADA is struggling to get over. Now, we've tested this a couple times, but we have not succeeded. Now, we've been under 50 cents for a while. We've actually been struggling with the 50-cent resistance since the middle of June, when the price of ADA had fallen below that, and ever since then, it's been trying to get over that and find support, which it has not been able to. So it's been testing that. Now, the price of ADA is moving along the 20-day and the 50-day moving average right now. So it's going to be hopefully not consolidating for too long between these two prices, and hopefully it is able to manage staying above the 20-day moving average. Now, since we did break out of this wedge, anything is really possible, because the price of ADA is definitely influenced a lot on what the price of Bitcoin is doing. And we're seeing a lot of similarities with Bitcoin and ADA, of course. Now, let's just take this on over to what we're seeing over in the ADA Bitcoin chart, where we're seeing the price of ADA on this chart, the ADA Bitcoin chart, hovering below that 50-day moving average, which it actually had flipped that 20-day moving average, and it's just moving along that line right now. So things are really tightening up, especially since the price of ADA and Bitcoin are so tightly together right now at this moment. There was a little while there, the price of ADA was moving much better than Bitcoin, but now they're moving very much in tandem with each other. So we're not really seeing a whole lot change as far as the graphs here on the ADA Bitcoin chart. But if we were to take this over to the ADA Ethereum chart, a bit different of a story, because, well, Ethereum has been making some very aggressive moves lately, and ADA has not been able to keep up with those moves that Ethereum has been making. All right, now back over to the ADAUSD chart. Now, we're going to be getting a lot of news that's going to really change the market next week, for the good or the bad. Now, if it's bad news, hopefully a lot of that bad news is already priced into the market, and we don't see any sort of major volatility with that. But at the same time, if we get good news, then we can really see the price of ADA hopefully break above that 50-day moving average. Now, in the short term, and this is mostly throughout the weekend, what's going to most likely be happening is we're going to continue seeing the price of ADA consolidating under this 50-cent price, under the 50-day moving average, I should say, and between the 20-day moving average. Now, if for any case the price does change and it does fall below that 20-day moving average, then we can be seeing the price of ADA possibly fall down to a price around 45, 44 cents, around there. If that's the case, then the thing that we could be looking forward to is hopefully some good news in the market. If not anything, hopefully some good news about the Basel hard fork and what could become with that. Now, if we are to get an update on when the Basel hard fork is going to be coming out, when is the release date, then that would be the best case for the price of ADA, and that would be what would really help the price of ADA going above that 50-day moving average, going above 50 cents, and then working its way up to that 100-day moving average. The price of 60 cents is the current 100-day moving average. So if we are to work our way up there, that's going to be our big area of resistance from that point. But this is all if we do get a date posted on when that's going to be coming out, and I would expect at that time, things to get very bullish with Cardano. So just to keep it short, trying out this style. If you guys like this style of just trying to just get in there and do the technical analysis, let me know, and I'll try to do multiple videos a day in this style of covering different cryptocurrencies as well. But anyways, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about Cardano. What do you guys think is going to be happening here in the short term? Do you guys think that we're going to be getting that update on when to expect the Basel hard fork to launch on the mainnet? Do you think that date's going to be coming here very soon? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you in the next one.